Well, it's great to be here at Caldicot School, finding out about the Ysgol project.
Mae'n braf iawn cael bod yma yn ysgol Cul y Coed yn Sir Fynwy i weld sut mae'r partneriaeth newydd hon rhwng 4 ysgol o fewn y sir yn cydweithio ac wedi gweithredu yr holl hyfforddiant a'r gefnogaeth maen nhw wedi dderbyn gan ei ysgol.
Thorough discussions and a strategic approach has ensured that the students here at Caldicot, King Henry, Chepstow and Monmouth schools are given that equitable choice of subjects that is so vitally important.
We're 4 weeks in to our first Monmouthshire Ysgol network, but a 94% satisfaction of interactive, highly challenging lessons.
Been really interesting, great to hear of the good work that's going on, and I think lots of potential for us to look at in Wales, so really grateful to you all for having me here.